In sad news from Bengaluru, veteran trade union leader and prominent labor activist H.V. Anantha Subbarao passed away on Wednesday, January 28, 2026. He was 84 years old. Subbarao, a long-time functionary of the Communist Party of India, was widely respected as one of the tallest figures in Karnataka's labor movement. For over 5 decades, he tirelessly advocated for workers' rights, particularly those in the public transport sector. He served as the president of the Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation KSRTC staff and Workers' Federation, becoming the enduring voice of transport workers across the state. Subbarao also held key roles in the All India Trade Union Congress AITUC Karnataka unit as General Secretary for over 3 decades from 1983 to 2015 and as President from 2015 until he stepped down earlier this month in January 2026. His death came suddenly following a cardiac arrest at his residence. Tributes have poured in from leaders including Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who described him as a beloved labor leader and an irreplaceable loss to the working class. Anantha Subbarao is survived by his wife and 2 daughters. His lifelong commitment to Marxist ideals and workers' struggles leaves a lasting legacy in Karnataka's trade union history.